Imagine a time when everyone thought the Earth was the center of the universe. People believed that the sun, moon, and stars all revolved around us. Then, over 2,000 years ago, a Greek astronomer named Aristarchus of Samos challenged this view. He proposed a radical idea: the Earth and other planets actually orbit the sun. This concept, known as heliocentrism, was far ahead of its time. Aristarchus's idea was not widely accepted during his lifetime. However, his work laid the foundation for later astronomers like Copernicus, who would eventually prove the heliocentric model correct. This story of Aristarchus reminds us that great thinkers often challenge conventional wisdom and that their ideas can have a lasting impact on our understanding of the universe. Aristarchus lived on the Greek island of Samos in the 3rd century BC. He was a mathematician and astronomer. Very little is known about his life, but his ideas about the cosmos were truly groundbreaking. Aristarchus dared to question the prevailing geocentric view, which placed the Earth at the center of everything. He proposed a heliocentric model, suggesting that the Earth and other planets revolve around the sun. Although we don't have many of his original writings, Aristarchus's ideas were preserved through the works of other scholars, including Archimedes. These fragments of his work provide a glimpse into the mind of a brilliant astronomer who challenged the limits of knowledge in his time. His legacy continues to inspire us to explore new frontiers in our understanding of the universe. Aristarchus's heliocentric theory was based on his observations and calculations. He studied the movements of the sun, moon, and Earth. He realized that the sun was much larger than the Earth. This led him to believe that the sun was the central object in our system. He also estimated the relative distances between these celestial bodies. His calculations were impressive for his time, even though they were not entirely accurate. Aristarchus's model placed the sun at the center, with the Earth and other planets orbiting it in circular paths. This was a radical departure from the accepted geocentric model of his era. Section 4. The Earth-centered view prevails. Despite its logic, Aristarchus's heliocentric theory was not well received by his contemporaries. People were reluctant to abandon the Earth-centered view of the universe. The geocentric model, with its roots in ancient philosophy and religion, held a strong grip on the minds of people. Additionally, Aristarchus's theory seemed to contradict the everyday experience of people who did not feel the Earth moving. The lack of observable stellar parallax, a phenomenon that would be expected if the Earth orbited the Sun, also posed a challenge to his theory. These factors contributed to the rejection of his heliocentric model, and it would be centuries before the idea gained widespread acceptance. Section 5. Rediscovering a Lost Legacy, Copernicus and the Revival of Heliocentrism. For centuries, Aristarchus's heliocentric model remained largely forgotten. It was not until the 16th century that a Polish astronomer named Nicholas Copernicus revived the idea. Copernicus, like Aristarchus centuries before him, proposed that the Earth and other planets revolve around the Sun. He developed a detailed model of the solar system with the Sun at the center. Copernicus's work, published in his book De Revolutionibus Orbium Coelestium, on the revolutions of the heavenly spheres, sparked a revolution in astronomy. His heliocentric model, supported by his observations and calculations, gradually gained acceptance among scholars. This shift from an Earth-centered to a Sun-centered view of the universe marked a profound change in our understanding of our place in the cosmos. Section 6. Honoring the pioneers, Aristarchus's enduring contribution. Although Aristarchus's ideas were initially rejected, his contributions to astronomy are significant. He was one of the first to propose a heliocentric model of the solar system. This groundbreaking idea paved the way for the scientific revolution that would transform our understanding of the universe. Aristarchus's legacy serves as a reminder that scientific progress often involves challenging established norms and thinking outside the box. His story inspires us to keep asking questions, exploring new ideas, and pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. Today, we honor Aristarchus of Samos as a visionary astronomer whose insights continue to shape our view of the cosmos.